Hi, my name is Louie, and today I've got...
Damon with Premier RV. How's it going?
All right, we're excited about this one today. We got a 2015 37-foot Newmar Dutch Star.
That's just that sweet spot on length, you know, that 37, 36. We get a lot of call for that.
Storage customer of ours. We do storage, and we're a full service center, of course, and all that good stuff. And this is our indoor showroom where we're always looking for well-maintained diesel pushers. We have a couple holes now. We've had another good couple weeks. We got, what, 5 deliveries in the last couple of days, right?
Yeah, it's been busy.
So.
And back to the showroom, though. I mean, look at how nice it is in here, considering, what was it, a bomb cyclone we just had go through here a couple days ago?
The bomb cyclone, yeah. They can't say the word Pineapple Express anymore, I guess, or...
Is that offensive?
I don't know.
For islanders?
Are you offended?
I mean, I was born in Hawaii. I'm not, I don't know if I'm an islander, but I'm not offended, no.
Yeah?
Pineapple Express, bye-bye.
Yeah,
Okay.
the bomb cyclone. So lots of rain, no snow. We don't get snow here. A lot of people say, well, you know, your winters, you get a lot of snow. None.
No snow, just lots of rain.
Pretty rare, so. Pass is open. The guy from Pittsburgh that bought the O2 Magna, they're leaving today.
Oh, nice.
Super nice couple. They were looking for you. They wanted to meet you. So.
Oh, well, I'll sign autographs another time.
They like the tuck and roll. Maybe we could do that on this one today. All right, let's get back to this.
Okay.
We got thrown off, but
We got thrown off.
2015 37-footer 450 Cummins.
Yep, ISL power.
We get a lot of calls on people wanting 34. One thing I like about the 37, longer wheelbase, and then with the bigger engine rather than the 360, you're going to get the 8.9 liter.
Yeah, a lot of nice upgrades on the Dutch Star. It's the most popular diesel pusher sold, so well worth the extra
Is that
money.
a fact?
That's a fact.
Really?
Yes. Yeah.
That's good. Good factual statements there, Damon. Way to go. Yeah. All right, let's start with the door. Nice, beautiful door.
Nice, beautiful door. Large hinges. Seldomly do we need to adjust it. No air leaks, very solid. This is the 3745 floor plan.
King size bed too, which
King bed.
You know, is nice. Front tires are brand new. The rears are gonna need to be replaced eventually, right?
Yeah, we'll get those replaced. I think they're a little bit of back order on them right now.
Yeah.
They're an unusual size, 305.
But boy, again, I always say this. I'm so impressed with their paint. I mean, the paint is great. You know, there's no lines here. They cut and sanded and everything.
Yeah,
Polish.
nice colors, good finish.
A lot of depth to it. But I think they do a really good job on their paint.
They do.
Fuel tank is
100 gallons.
100 gallons.
Yeah, Freightliner chassis, 100-gallon fuel tank.
Independent front suspension, huh?
With comfort drive. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that comfort steer where you could kind of tighten up the steering box. And
Yeah, and it's got a good 14.6 axle rating. That's pretty high.
yeah.
20 in the back, 34.6 combined. So good payload.
Good GVW there, eh? All right, so we got a couple pass-through bays, maybe.
That one's going to go back to the fuel tank.
Yeah.
And this one goes back about 70% of the way because it has hydronic heat.
And this is for the passenger seat, for the little computer stand, I guess.
Yep. I got the Dirt Devil up on top here on the left side of the bay. Central vac.
Got to have the pegboard.
Pegboard with a couple of little options that owners added, rack and a paper towel holder.
A nice place to put a TV if you want one, right?
Yeah.
So that's a full pass-through, eh?
That goes back 70%. Still plenty deep and high.
The height is actually really good there, huh?
It is. So that would be the plumbing bay on the other side, I believe. Kind of interesting.
So that didn't go all the way through?
No. So I'm wondering where the holding tanks are.
I guess we'll find out,
I'll
huh?
have to look. Maybe,
Maybe-
oh, they're behind the pegboard. They're just up a little forward.
Oh,
So I'll bet the plumbing bay is forward, and that's the shore cord reel,
yeah.
the back side of that bay.
Interesting.
Always interesting to see how these manufacturers lay their bays out.
Yeah. Got def. You could fill it from the other side.
And chassis batteries. On this side, we've got a couple of girard awnings up on the roof.
Yeah, we'll bring them out here in a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, paint's in really good condition.
It is.
So engine access here. This is going to be a side-mounted radiator, huh?
It is.
That looks nice and clean, so.
Everything's accessible. Air filters right up here. Radiator overflow tank, oil fill and dipstick for the engine oil, transmission dipstick, hydronic heat reservoir.
And with the bigger engine on this ISL, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's going to have a two-stage Jake brake, which
It
is
does,
nice,
yes.
rather than an exhaust brake.
Yeah.
So.
This has got a 10,000-pound hitch, and like Louie always says, when people are getting out of RVing, and they are, if they have a tow bar or any accessories, we ask them to leave all that. So this all-terrain tow bar goes with the sale of this motorhome.
Well, sold a guarantee RV. You used to work there, huh?
I did.
Nice.
10 years. Great place.
Yeah. Now owned by Bishes.
Maybe not as great.
Oh.
Engine air intake. Radiator on the side. A little storage right here.
Looks like the motor for a slide room, huh?
That would be the bedroom slide. Oh, the full wall slide.
Full
so
wall
that's
slide.
the rear motor for the full wall slide.
Must be two of those, huh?
Yep.
All right, sewer hose compartment.
Power cord reel. That's what I thought. Transfer switch, and looks like a built-in surge guard back there.
Yeah. Good price point. This coach will be right under 200,000. So
Nice.
with the low miles, the condition, and everything else, it's a nice, clean coach.
So we got 65 gray, 45 black, 105 fresh, whole house filter right there, water hose reel, outside shower. Nicely laid out.
So it's got hydronic heat with the Oasis system. That's probably what, 50,000 BTUs.
Yep.
The benefit of this system, obviously, it's much quieter than a propane system.
Very quiet.
So
Unlimited hot water.
yeah, continuous hot water for the shower, so that's nice.
Now when you get that hydronic heat, you don't have the furnace in the sidewall or two and the water heater door that some people forget, and it flies off, and then
That's
we got to
what's
paint them.
really nice about this coach with the awnings up on the roof. It just gives you that nice, clean look.
Yeah. Yep. And the
I could
sidewall's nice.
I can see why it's the #1 producer. It's good bang for the buck.
Yeah. House batteries.
And I think, is that 4 or 6, or I can't remember.
Looks like 4 6-volts.
Yeah.
32-gallon propane tank.
All right, we can pop that generator out. Must be a 8K.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, I forget how many hours are on here, but I think I see a 203.
203 hours.
That's not bad.
No.
Obviously, they weren't dry campers, but for a 10-year-old coach, definitely not dry camper, so.
Yeah.
Nice one-piece windshield, no rock chips. It's in really good condition. Yeah.
Yeah, the front end looks good. The headlights are nice and bright. Fog lights look like they're new.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
right, Damon, we made it inside. What do you think?
I like the inside. Good colors. Cherry cabinets.
Glazed.
Glazed cherry.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well-
Full tile floor. Height of bed sofa on the side here, passenger side.
Yeah, you know, with the 37-footer, I think there's some advantages with more space in these areas.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit bigger kitchen than like the 34 that we had that we sold.
Yeah.
But the king size bed and the bigger refrigerator are really nice features on this.
Yeah,
coach.
the residential fridge option. So you get the pure sine wave inverter.
Mm-hmm.
And then next to that, which we're going to get into, is the stacked washer dryer. But yeah, it opens the floor plan up a lot.
Yeah, all tile, zero carpet.
Yep. And the other thing is, you know, they make the 37 bath and a half.
Yeah.
But with the bath and a half, you get the tiny fridge, the queen bed.
Yeah.
So it's nice having the 37-45.
I always stick to the 6-4-2.
That's right, 642.
Cocktails for 6, dinner for 4, and sleeps 2.
There
You
go.
don't need another bathroom, do you?
No. Who wants another bathroom to clean?
Yeah. So, yeah. Nice area here. This table comes out quite a bit, and it also will come in
Yeah,
when
it's
you're driving.
Very large table, and there's a handle under here.
It's like a diving board.
Yeah, you gotta be careful there.
Yeah.
And then you can, when you're driving, put it in even further so it opens it up when the slides are in.
Yeah. Pretty functional with the depth here too. So you could have a little workstation here for your computer and stuff like that, or a printer. So
Yeah.
good sized kitchen.
Yeah, nice tile backsplash and a lot of storage. Can access a couple different ways.
Yeah, they do a nice job with their cabinets.
They do. I mean, look at the size of those. Roll out over there.
Yeah.
All the paint codes, weight label on the right side there. So you'll see it has 6,511 pounds of carrying capacity.
I think that'll be more than suitable.
Yeah.
Double sink. Oh, one big
One
stainless.
big
Nice.
stainless sink with a Dish Network remote. No charge.
2-burner or 3-burner? 3-burner.
It is a 3-burner.
Nice.
Princess. This is hinged, so you can set it back.
Yeah, I like how they do that. That's nice. And then nice drawers underneath with lots of depth there.
Yep, good sized drawers.
Yeah.
Full extension glides. Another bank of drawers over here. Silverware.
Nice microwave too. Look how big that thing is.
It is.
Yeah. So it's a convection microwave.
Yeah, spotless.
All right, so we got the big refrigerator with a stacked washer dryer next to it.
Open that up for you, Jack. Cafe door with the freezer on the bottom.
Yeah, those residential refrigerators, that's nice to have.
Oh, they did the combo.
Well, that makes sense if you want storage.
Yeah, you get some storage above. It'll house a stacked if you want to do stacked.
You know, that works. That's
You got
your
room.
area right there, Damon. And then, you know, Prudy gets the whole wardrobe in the back.
Yeah, yep. I use the clothesline outside myself, but
Yeah. Yeah.
this is what they call a side bath. So you got one door and everything's off to the side. Shower, toilet, sink.
I like the hinge on how they do that with that door.
It gives a little more room when the slide's in because it's
Yeah.
a full wall slide. So when the fridge comes in, you can still open the door and get into the bathroom.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
This is some shallow storage, but usable. Maybe a pantry.
King size bed.
Yeah, king bed. You'll have a little storage underneath. Pretty common with a Newmar.
Yeah, got an extra pillow here. All right, lots of storage back there, and
Two folding chairs, a safe, shoe rack and hanging bar up on top.
Because usually they have the washer dryer right here, so this kind of gives you a lot more storage here by having it forward of the coach. I mean, they got tons of drawer space and everything here.
And the bedroom TV and DVD player and Wally are up here. The rest will be storage.
Not a bad smell in this coach, huh? It's pretty clean.
It is. Yeah, got some more storage up here.
Yeah, I think, you know, if you're looking for a short length coach that'll pretty much allow you to go anywhere, being 37.
Yeah,
This is a good coach for under 200,000.
it is. It's got MCD shades throughout also, Lou, so they're,
Pull downs.
you got a sunscreen or total privacy. And then they're multiplex lighting. So,
All LED lighting, which is nice. So, appreciate you guys watching the video. We got another one to do, right? We're going to do one more?
yeah, we'll do a couple today.
Yeah. We got a couple of country coaches that just came in, so appreciate you watching. Hit the subscribe button.
It's free. Thank
Thanks.
you.